Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my dooryard. And today it's a snowy, slushy, wet dooryard because we had an Alberta clipper move through last night that left significantly more snow than it was predicted to. Supposed to be just a dusting. We got a couple few inches, and then apparently it warmed up pretty good during the overnight, and yeah, so looks like I got a little bit of snow clearing to do before we can get anything done. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so yeah, let's get this all scraped off. There's the bottom half anyway. And then, yeah, I get the cars all cleaned off. I'll clean all that up. Ay. And it's still supposed to snow more later today, so, you know, I'm kind of doing this in futility, but, you know, I get this section cleaned off, clean off the Subaru, clean off the Ford, shovel up the driveway, and with any luck, it'll, you know, dry out a little bit before I'm going to crawl under there and do that brake line. If it shows up today, which it's a day late now, so, you know, we'll see. All right. Yeah, don't look too bad. We'll give her a go. There. Now, when the temperature goes down later tonight, that'll be a nice, smooth, shiny sheet of ice. No, but probably I'll salt it when the temperature starts dropping. Hopefully we can get a lot of it to go away from the building and out of here. But, yeah. Let's kind of set you guys over here, and we'll get the scrub-a-doo cleaned off and get Hank dusted out. I bet you guys thought I was going to use a shovel on Hank too, didn't you? I'll suffer wet gloves for him. Well, obviously I'm going to need a sheet of paper to be able to reach the middle and the roof. So I'll be right back. All right. I should probably shovel this side up first. Then we'll go from there. Yeah, so nowadays apparently they call this behavior ADHD, where you start doing something and then realize you missed something earlier. So you go back to it. I'm going to go take care of the rest of the snow that's on the tank here. Yeah, so apparently that kind of thing's called ADHD now. In the days of my youth, in the late 1900s, I was just called being human. You know? I got all excited about wanting to clear the snow off, so maybe it'll dry out a little bit. And, yeah, and I got sidetracked by clearing the snow off Hank. Then I went back to snow shoveling, because, you know, look at it, it's got to go. Then I realized I probably ought to clean the snow off Hank, so it's all on the ground so I don't put snow on the ground that I just shoveled. But you know, what do I know? All right, let's see what we got there. Yeah, we'll just keep running them. I probably ought to change out gloves though. He's pretty wet. It's not like it's bitter cold or anything. I mean, last I looked, it was 34, and we're coming towards the heat of the day, so I bet it'll stay 34, 35 now for quite a while. You know, and that's, what did I look that up as? 1.111 Celsius or something like that. Yeah. So it ain't that bad. It ain't as bad as it's gonna be, that's for sure. All right, let's clean off the rest of the hank here. Sheet of paper. That worked pretty good. All right. Almost got moved a sheet of paper. Neighbor just come home. Go on. Must be getting towards noon. There. That's as good as it's gonna get today. Good enough anyway. Well, I got Hank all cleared off. And my part still hasn't shown up. We're still kind of waiting on that. So I I'd rather not climb underneath the car when it's all drippy wet. It's bad enough being cold. It's not all that pleasant being wet. But cold and wet, yeah, I'm not on board with that. So, I guess that's going to be the end of today's fun. We'll hopefully get that part in the next couple of days. Maybe on Sunday I can get it in. I don't know what the weather's going to be. And then I know it's going to be really cold and windy tomorrow. It's going to, yeah. They're saying highs in the upper 20s. So, yeah. And now it's starting to kind of drizzle, rain, wintry mix. Yeah. I don't want to hang out in this. I think I'm going to go do something else, probably indoors. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, maybe. Yeah, all that stuff, it helps. But we'll just keep picking away at it. Didn't get much done today. Didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but well, sometimes it's all you can do. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. This has been Empty Pockets Production.